What's up, everybody? It's Ari Marie here, and I am here to share with y'all my everyday natural look. You know, something soft, something quick, something easy. If you're interested, please keep watching. All right, y'all, so today I'm gonna try to do a talk through video. I normally don't talk in my videos, but I'm gonna go ahead and try. So let's just see. So today, everybody, we're just gonna do like an everyday look that I normally do when I'm in a rush, which is like all the fucking time. And yeah, so basically I want to tell you guys how I'm priming my face right now. And I'm using the Mario Badescu sprays. I actually have the cucumber, the lavender, and the rose water. These are only like $5 at Ulta. So right now, like say for example, after I wash my face, I'll go ahead and spray the lavender one. That's what I have in my restroom right now. Even the cucumber is fine. I just kind of want to give my face some moisture after I'm done washing it. And then I go in with the Rihanna primer that she has. She only has one. So, all right, y'all, so after I go in and prime my face, I choose what foundation I want to wear. And normally it's either Rihanna, of course, Pro Filter. I love this, especially if you have oily skin. It's really good to keep you matte. It'll control your oils, so I really like this. But if you have dry skin, this is gonna fucking like, it's gonna dry you out even worse. Okay, and then next, NARS. I have to get another bottle of this. When I tell you guys, I love this I love this foundation. Like literally, this foundation right here, it is so silky, so creamy, just it's just everything, and it gives you really nice coverage. And last but not least, my Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush foundation. I might use this one as well. So yeah, but I actually think they discontinued this, which is like really crazy. But I think it's discontinued for now, this shade. I'm gonna go in with my NARS. I hope I have enough left, you guys. Like, I'm about to be hella bootleg and dump this bottle on backwards. I don't know why I got these big ass hoop earrings in. Like, I know that's everybody's question right now, but y'all, I live, breathe, and sleep in my hoop earrings. Like, I love them so much. All right, y'all. So foundation, I don't have that much on my hand, like literally. I hope it doesn't look like a lot. It's because I had to hit the bottom. But I just go in, cover my face. I always do like these dabs, these random, it's just the way I am, like, I don't know. And then I'll take the bottom because I'm bootleg and I hate wasting shit. I'll go in and I would just take a little stippling brush and go all the way through. Y'all, this foundation, it really creases under the eyes. And so what I'm gonna do is just take some Airspun, just like while I'm doing my makeup, and just kind of sit it under my face. I mean, like, just while I'm like, you know, doing this, finishing up this little quick face. It depends. Sometimes I use a little powder brush. Sometimes I use a powder brush. Sometimes I use a little sponge. You know, it just depends. I'm so not used to talking during my tutorials, so y'all gotta bear with me. Okay, and just to kind of control the oil on the cheek, I'm gonna just dab it a little bit. In real life, this would take me like probably 15 minutes because your girl be in a rush. My eyes get a lot of creasing. I'm just gonna go ahead and like dab this on here to kind of like set it and just more so mattify it. I might take a translucent color. If not a translucent color, I also have like some NYX like, you know, skin tone powder, and that also works. And it also makes it look like a little bit of eyeshadow. All right, so while this little bit of powder is sitting under here to help like my creasing, you know, as much as it can, because I'm not like really concealing and doing all that. Like I said, this is an everyday quick face. So after I do this, I'm like, okay, all right, it's almost time to go. I'm Shan. I go ahead and I normally use my, it's my Ray Ray palette right now. I'm really like loving it. And I'll just go in with like a quick little like 1, 2. You know what I'm saying? This is not a full-on beat. Like, I will repeat that multiple times, you guys. I'm sorry. The motherfuckers be like, you ain't doing this correct, well, motherfucker. I'm cheating. I'm cheating today. I'm not doing the full-on beat. You know what I'm saying? Just go through. Okay. If I want to be a little warmer, what I go ahead and do is just take my MAC Skin Finish and Dark Deep. Took my brush. I'm just kind of warming up soon. I hope y'all can see this in the camera. I'm still adjusting to this new camera, but I feel like this lighting is better than another video that I have. And to cut it a little bit, I might go right here. Just to give my face a little bit of more dimension. You see the cut? The cut. No. I'm like, okay, you got that. That's cute. All right, you might want to do a little bit of highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the Becca Champagne Pop. I don't do this every day, to be honestly, because like normally, just to give it a little bit, a little pop, the champagne pop. Normally though, if I'm like not doing the full face of makeup, I do want it to be about my skin looking pretty, you know, to at least have like a pretty skin effect going on. So you see that? Not too much. And once you like really finish your face and spray it, all this will melt together. So if I look crazy right now, it's okay. Okay? Okay? It's okay. So, you feel me? I got this goldy look going on. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my lips, because I bleed a lot on my mouth. Ooh, I feel like that sounded horrible. The one thing about this foundation, it is dewy. So, if you are an oily person, you might have to, you know, just make sure you go in and set certain areas. Like, I'm just going back in right now to set my smile lines. Brush this away. It's over with. All right, so literally we're almost done. Normally on an everyday, I wear me some nude lips. I love me just like, I don't know, like warm colors and things like that. So I'm gonna go in with my Cork lip liner pencil. This is like my favorite lip combination. Yes. So, and then I go in with my Honey Love lipstick. I love this lipstick. Like, this lip combination is everything to me. I normally wear it on my looks. Boom. Isn't it pretty? It's just natural and gorgeous. Okay. I'm lining under here. This also is like a trick to make your lips look fuller. Just gonna give it that shadow. And depending on how I feel, like today, I might just go in with a little bit of gloss. You know what I'm saying? This is Flirty Lips and Cocoa Puffs. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to go and just put my lashes on. All right, y'all, so you know what I'm saying, went and put on my lashes. These little lashes was like $3, you know what I'm saying. Put my lashes on, And I just put a little bit of eyeliner here to kind of make it look like, you know, it's connecting. I didn't put it on the whole line because I'm bootleg and I be a little lazy sometimes, you know what I'm saying? And then, what else did I do? Oh, I put some mascara on to kind of blend in my lashes, put some on the top and the bottom. I used the Telescope by L'Oreal. And that's pretty much it, y'all. This is my little everyday look. You know, for the most part, the routine is the same. The foundation might switch up a little bit, or the lashes, but everything else is the same. And so I'm just gonna go in with some more Mario Badescu. But I'm going, I'm gonna go in with the rose water spray just to, you know what I'm saying? I should have had this ready, but the rose water spray will give you more of a glow. And you could put this on, like I said, right after you get out the shower and wash your face. Cucumber, lavender, or rose water, it doesn't matter. And like you see, it's just a soft, you know, dewy, glowy look. So this is it. This is my everyday look, y'all. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, until next time. Wait, hold on. Let me go ahead and put my hoop earrings back on, y'all. Okay, to complete this look. Yes. Bam. Until next time. Bye, y'all.